welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear a cache on a Filmorago apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Filmorago apps, you just click on the profile icon at the top, this one. You just click on it. And then in here you can click on a clear cache. You can click on it. And in here you just click on OK and waiting on finish. So that's how to clear cache on Filmorago apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.